tell me you're a vegan, I smell meat on your breath. Big rim glasses and your makeup's a mess. Always walking around in that thrift shop dress. Bent so low, got those tattoos on your chest. Love is the best. You're scaring me, baby, you're just too obsessed. Ahead of her time, only in her mind. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna use you, lose you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna use you, lose you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I just wanna lose you.
I don't have tattoos.
She doesn't like that.
I eat lots of meat.
She doesn't like that.
I don't drink PBRs.
She doesn't like that.
I make lots of money.
She kinda likes that. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna use you, lose you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. Don't tell me I just wanna use you, lose you. Don't tell me I just wanna love you. I just wanna love you. I just wanna lose you.
Freedom from hunger, freedom from pain, freedom from loss and so freedom from gain, freedom to give and freedom to share, freedom from want and that of despair, freedom to think and freedom to know, freedom to achieve and freedom to grow. Freedom from bondage and freedom of liberation. Freedom from ignorance. Freedom to come and freedom to leave. Freedom from failure and freedom of success, freedom from denial and freedom of excess, freedom from illusion and freedom of reality, freedom to live and freedom to die, freedom to laugh and freedom to cry, freedom to speak and freedom to listen, freedom from hate and freedom of love, freedom of below and freedom of above, freedom of the past and freedom of the present, freedom of the future and what it can represent, freedom from war and freedom of peace, freedom to begin and freedom to cease. Freedom from wrong and freedom being right, freedom of the day and freedom of the night, freedom to choose and freedom to reject. Universal freedom is eternal and infinite bliss. We should all therefore be able to realize this.
Slow down, move over when you see these lights. I'm risking my life on these freezing nights. Rotators flash so that you can see me from mile marker 33. Degrees below zero, might be a hero, but I ain't got no wings and I ain't got no halo. Hello, how you doing? I'm the friendly toe man. If you're stuck in the snow, I know of a plan. My hooks ain't for show, I'll do what I can to put asphalt underneath your minivan. Sleet, snow, rain, nothing stops. Hauling the mailman to the repair shop. Tow lives matter, slow down and drive away from me and keep to the side of the lane to explain. It's about her safety, and I really want to see my child turn 18. Slow down, 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 move over. It's the law in all 50 states, and in many parts of the world. I'm not the ghost of Marley, but I'm slanging these chains, dragging people's cars out of storm drains. Y'all call her service when you